In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix 404 page not found error in GitHub. So when you encounter this problem, it means that your files on the GitHub dashboard or the GitHub repository is named incorrectly. So let's navigate through our GitHub account right here. Click on your repositories, and basically inside this page, you want to name your main file index.html or something like that. The most important thing right here is to name your main file index with all lower cases. So from there, you can name other things like your dashboard.html or .cs or something like that. But the main important thing is to name it this way. Now, let's navigate through our settings. Click on pages. And then in here, I have my repository name as my page name. In here, I'll just click on my page. As you can see, I will not have any errors whatsoever. And so with that, you have successfully fixed the 404 page not found error. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.